Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz. Guys, this is very, very rare to have an osprey right above me in a pine tree eating a fish. Holy mackerel. Okay, I'm going to walk over a little bit. I don't want to scare it. I've got my car right here running. Wow, here comes another osprey. Okay, let's see if we can zoom in. You can hear it crying. Now, I do apologize. This is a newer camera. Even though I've been filming with a Canon PowerShot for years, I've had troubles zooming in. Look how spectacular. Holy mackerel. His talon is probably stuck on this fish. So, I know it was probably calling the mate because I saw the mate up in the air. Look at this, guys. Holy mackerel. We're actually seeing the fish that it just caught. Unbelievable. Alright, we're signing off live. It's Karen Martz. Have a great day.